Hello everyone, this is HVAC startup technician, and I want to show you exactly how you wire up a Nest thermostat. So if you want to upgrade your thermostat to a brand new Nest thermostat, in this video here you would learn how to make all your connections. And when you do it, you may want to take off your power to downstairs because you don't want to have a short or to blow a fuse. So we're gonna just go step by step so I could show you exactly how this is done. So first we're gonna do is our red, and you see we have a red terminal here. We're gonna go right in here. So first we're gonna press this here and make sure this is pressed in. See that? So we have our red in here. Next we're gonna go with our green, which goes to our G terminal here, right here. We're gonna put this G in here, and we're gonna press this in, and we have our G. And once you do it, make sure all these stuff are pressed in so you can see that you have a good connection, and try not to let your wires rush. Then we go into our Y1, which is for our cooling. We want to make sure that we press this in. See, this is pressed in. All these connections are good. So you're gonna want to check your connections to make sure that you have the right connection. And then we go to our white for our heat. And we press this in, and you could just shove it in like this. And then we have our common for C, and we put our common in here, and that's how you actually connect that Nest thermostat. You're not using that OB terminal, that's only if you have a heat pump. But we do have a heat pump, we just have a straight air conditioning unit. I think I have another video which shows you how to wire it for a heat pump. So you could take a look at the channel and look at all these videos. And these videos are how-to videos for people that actually want to know how it's done. And then we have the base, which you see the base is, you could hold it in your hand, and once you're done, you just click the base down. You just put the base down. It's pretty simple. See, and you get that click, and there we go again. So our stuff already, we see our in heat mode. We have our temperature is what we could move it to 67. This is really fluid. It's really a nice thermostat. So it's easy for you to upgrade your thermostat and give your house that extra feeling, that extra nice feeling that everything looks slick and nice. So thank you guys for looking at the video, and if there are any questions, any comments, please leave it, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, take it easy, bye.